Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.
We're on the Hudson River and we're trying to see Saugerties Lighthouse. Well, the path is blocked by high tide, but we still stand a chance. We have boots here that we are allowed to wear, and we will now again attempt to see the lighthouse. We still may not be able to. If you see more video, you'll know we did it. So this is part of the trail, and we were able to walk past this, but you will see a little further up was not passable. We're hoping that with boots on, it will be. So here is the trail, and we can walk over this way a bit, and we'll see if we can get through beyond here. Looks like we're going to do it, because there's the light. The water is about, I'd say, 6 inches deep, so as long as it stays like that, we're in good shape. If we don't walk too fast, it's not too bad, but it is getting a little deeper. So slowly, slowly, still might make it. Oh, it's getting deeper. And we're almost there. Whoop. See, that was dangerous. And as the old song says, looks like we made it, because there's the lighthouse. And that's the Hudson River. Well, now that we have seen the lighthouse, I am hoping that the tide hasn't risen too much more, because it was getting close there for a while. See you on the other side. Okay, it's clear sailing from here on. We just have to hope our shoes are still there. And they are. Okay, but see what it says up here?